This show was originally scheduled for March 2020. I think we all know how that turned out. So, let's take a look at getting things back on track for this rescheduled Grand Funk Railroad concert this summer. Sound, video, and lighting are first in and up. The truss build, the lights, and then PA. For this show, I'm providing an Abbott SC48 at front of house and the Midas M32 for monitors. There's a 48-channel analog split at Monitor World. We already know what mic stands they want and where they'll go, and we also know their monitor positions. Once the lighting is flown out, Jim can connect the wedges and send subsnakes to their positions. At that point, he can take a mic on stage and we can test the lines to make sure everything is coming up where it should for the input list. The lighting rig consists of 12 Chauvet Pro R2 washes upstage, 6 Chauvet Pro R2 spots midstage, 12 Elation SixPar 200s downstage with 6 LED ellipsoidals also downstage, and 6 Chauvet Pro strike fixtures also downstage. All of this along with some ADJ LED bars on the deck. Next up is the band load-in at 1 p.m. Marshalls and Ampegs. Oh my. And at 1:26, the backline is already basically in place. 26 minutes. After the backline is pinned, it's line check and basic monitor setup time with the band's house sound tech.
Check 2, 1, 2, bit more level. Check 1, 2, more level still. Check 1, 2, more level still. Sounds pretty good. Turn back on. That's perfect. Now I'm going to tap the tom mics. Again, with no gates. And we'll do that same 3K rise on all the tom mics.
Go right there. Start there. Thank you.
And finally, a full band sound check. Let's do a pre-show stage walk and take a look at things. This is Guitar Tech Don's office. Here's a look at Bruce Kulick's pedal board. We have power and subsnakes along the upstage area here. Marshall stacks with Z-bars for the microphones. Now we're looking at Don Brewer's drums. Besides the DI, there's also a Beyer M88 microphone on the bass guitar. And finally, we're looking at the remote camera controller here. Showtime. And now, the loadout. Nearly everything has a specific case it lives in. Everything goes out. If you want to see how I handle a much smaller show, check out this video. I'll drop some affiliate links in the text below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me any comments or questions below, and I will see you next time.